Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In the second episode, I shared my experiences in the Indian Air Force, uh, where I reached Tambaram Air Force Station, Chennai in India. I reached Tambaram Air Force Station on 5th February 1982 to undergo a training for 6 months and 9 months. So I would like to share about my 6 months of ab initio training in the Indian Air Force. So we went to the Air Force Station Tambaram, and where we were given big halls. Each hall is known as a billet. Billet means where soldiers live. So we were given billets, and where we kept our luggage. Then we were taken to equipment section, where we were given free clothing. We were given with a medical book, and we were given some vaccines. Then we had food. Uh, we also had a haircut, milk haircut, typical haircut, very less hair. So we had milk haircut. Uh, the next day, we were asked to get up at 4 o'clock for a health run. So we all went for a health run in the morning, which will be around 5 kilometers. Uh, and after a health run, we all assembled and took tea. Then we got ready for a parade where we dressed with banyan and half pant with big shoes. We call them in India as bada boot. So we took breakfast, then we went with bada boots to do parade. The parade is a very tough one where we have to march in a synchronized manner. Sometimes people fall out of the line, so we were given punishment so that we fall into the line and get synchronized. Sometimes we were asked to crawl on the ground to make us physically tough, and also it's a kind of a punishment so that we get along with other trainees. So that's how some punishments were deliberately given so that we become physically tough, and also we get along with other trainees. So after the parade, we marched to classroom where we were taught about speaking in English properly, and we were taught about the Air Force rules and regulations. So the idea of this entire process is that to prepare us mentally, physically, educationally. It's a kind of holistic development of all trainees in the Indian Air Force. So then, after the classes were over, we used to march back to our billets, and we take lunch. The specialty with each billet is that people from different states are put in each billet, each big hall, so that all people can get along with the other communities, with the other cultures. Initially, there were some cultural conflicts because we were quite young, we were not mature also. We were around 18, 19, 20 years of age. So we used to have some cultural conflicts, but we began empathizing, we began respecting other people, their languages, foods, cultures. So the whole exercise was to bring all people across India into one platform, that is a national platform, and bringing them as true soldiers. So it is easier said than done, but it happens only in military organizations like Indian Air Force. So after taking lunch, what we do is we take a nap for some time. Then again, whistle is blown where we get up in the PT dress and we go for PT. PT means physical training. We do some physical training exercises on the ground. Then again, we come back to our billets, take dinner. So after taking dinner, there will be roll call. Every day night there will be roll call where all soldiers have to fall in, and they will take attendance whether everybody is available or not. Then again, sometimes we are given a short notice of 10 minutes to change the class and come back. We were annoyed initially why they were doing it, but there is a reason behind doing all these things. They want to make this trainees agile, active, and brisk, and to be punctual. So that was the motive, and sometimes it's not possible for some people to come within that short notice. They were given punishment, so that some people who are very lazy, they become active. So like this, there are various kinds of exercises which were done in the Indian Air Force to make us agile, active, and to build certain qualities like team spirit. We were built the we were we Air Force has made all trainees as patriotic soldiers, and it made us as one. It brought us fraternity among all Indians. So that was how the Indian Air Force has started. So after 6 months of training, we were given 1 month of leave to proceed to home. So what I used to do was usually morning 4 o'clock we get up, night 10 o'clock we sleep. But in my case, after 10 I used to sit in the street light and study, because I discontinued my degree and joined Indian Air Force to support my parents. So I used to study in the night. Then again I used to sleep around 11 o'clock or so. So I invested my time for my education because I am passionate about education and learning. Uh, this is the journey of my 6 months of training in the Indian Air Force Station, Tambaram, Chennai, India. In the next episode, I will be discussing various aspects of Indian Air Force, especially the leadership lessons we can learn from Indian Air Force. I would appreciate if you could like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on notifications.